Hardship experienced by commuters plying Old-Onitsha Enugu Road, especially the flooded area at Ogidi, Idemili North Council area, is now over, following intervention by the Soludo administration to rechannel the flood water on the road. Works correspondent Ngozi visited the site to monitor pace and level of intervention already done by the state government and reports.
Arrived the site, it was observed that drainage channel in and around the catchment pit have been cleared, which allowed water to flow freely into the catchment pit. Swamp boogie machine was also seen dredging the pit, which was looking expanded since the flag off of the work by Governor Soludo, while a dredger was also placed at a strategic position to remove water from the pit to another pit behind it so that water level would not exceed the pit. Speaking to the ABS, a resident of Ogidi, Mr. Chiwetalo Ifediora, said they are happy that intervention has come so that they can sleep with their two eyes closed, but appealed for a permanent solution to the flooding challenge on the road, as according to him, they have experienced untold hardship since the pit was created.
His Excellency if maybe just here, maybe so now I know for hope. Telling I can hear on no problem. Remember, and I am if I go million the other side. No ground or whether my own I got or do I see it or do before. So I need to.
Another resident, Mr. Obinna Ifezuora, regretted that the flood water coming from neighboring communities into the pit is above the capacity of the pit, which is why the road is always overflowed whenever it rains heavily. He called on the state government to check indiscriminate dumping of refuse inside the drainage by traders at Afoigwe market, as according to him, the refuse always blocks the drainages, which is a major challenge to the area.
Take away
ABS witnessed illegal dumping of refuse inside the drainage and along the road, even while the dredging was ongoing. From Ogidi, in Idemili North Council area, I am Ngozi for ABS News.